So now I think you are a little bored of learning grammar. So shall we learn some of the nouns? Today we are going to learn the names of the parts of our body. So there are just 10 parts of the body that we will learn today. So follow carefully. La tête. It means head. So what would you say for head? La tête. La main. I think I already used this word once before. I don't know if you would remember. La main means hand. La main. L'estomac. As I pronounce, you must have guessed. L'estomac. It means stomach. L'estomac. Les yeux. Les yeux. It means eyes. Les yeux. Can you see the use of the definite article here? LA, L apostrophe, lay. It indicates, la indicates that this is in the feminine form. Yes, I hope you remember. So, les yeux means eyes. La bouche, it means mouth. La bouche. Next, la dent. What does la dent mean? It means teeth. La dent. Les cheveux. Les cheveux. It means hair. Le cœur. Le cœur. It means heart. La jambe. La jambe. It means leg. La jambe. Les pieds. Les pieds. It means foot. So it might be difficult to memorize it. So say it with me once again. La tête. It means head. La main means hand. L'estomac means stomach. Les yeux means eyes. La bouche means mouth. La dent, teeth. Les cheveux, hair. Le cœur, heart. La jambe, leg. Le pied is foot. So these are just 10 words. So 10 new words you have learned today. Every day you should try to learn some new words and try to remember them. You can use a dictionary. A dictionary is always helpful when you want to learn a new language. So every day you should try to learn at least 5 new words so you can develop your vocabulary.